process of trade license. Okay, very important steps now should starting, so please focus so you can understand. Step one is to select the license type, which I explained you earlier. License type, what? You are a general trader, consultancy, services. This is the license type. Then you have to select the entity. You are single owner or you are partner. If you are a single owner, you go for free zone establishment. If you are a partner, then you go for free zone corporate, free zone company, FZC. If you have a branch already company and you are opening an existing branch, then another thing. So this is very important points, which is before deciding and taking the license, you should have answer for this. Okay. Step three is the select facility. What type of the business you are starting? You need office or no? You need flexi desk, some smart office, or you are doing a virtually, because this is the earlier you have to decide. Or you have a big business, some sort of the storage required later on, you can go for the warehouses. Or you have another big plan, so you can take the land for you build your facility also. This is also another facility. So fourth is the submit documents. Documents we will discuss after this. Very simple, very simple. You can't imagine how simple procedure is here. So we will discuss last after this. So fifth step, once we submit the document, they will give the approval, and then we will pay license fee and other fees. Once we pay the license fee, fifth step, the last and sixth step is you will receive a trade license. Very simple. It's very fast and simple. Once you receive the trade license, now it is activate and you can start your business on this. And then your trading transaction, your whatever the plans you have, you can start with this. So I will talk about this one after this step. What is the next step is there, right? I'm going in a detail very much because I want to share you everything, whatever the knowledge I have. And if you are planning in future or nowadays you want to grab the opportunity, contact with us as expert advisor, as expert consultant. We can help you out for your licensing part for this one. So this is the one expertise advice which I shared with you. So now what documents are required? Okay, documents is the very simple application form. Is everything is nowadays online. Only you have to, before submit the application, two three things you have to ready. I will share you. Your suggested three name. For example, you are opening a company, you have to give providers a three name: ABC company, XYZ company, so and so company, right? So your three name, what they will do, they will check in the system. If nobody is using this name, they will issue you. If somebody is using, they will tell you this number two, number three is selected for you. They will approve. Okay. Then your email ID, address, and mobile number. That is also these things we required from you. Then your passport copy. If you are inside the country, your entry visa stamp page, or you have cancelled visa, you are in home country, cancel page. Or for example, you have visited UAE few years back to this month or last year, if you have a copy, because this will help us for fast track process. We can process the thing. This will save your time, by the way. And then passport photography required, background white color. Once you submit this one, this is very simple. Means it's in a one go we can process everything.